So I'm going to present for what I did in my assignment about the project called Fuel Station Management System. This project is a web-based application developed to automate and manage the operation of fuel station. This system will help to manage the fuel stock, recording and fuel sales, monitoring maps and controlling user access and generating reports. The problem solving being that I'd be to be solved. The manual system could the following issues: the fuel stock mismanagement, incorrect and delayed sales reporting, financial due to the lack of accurate records, difficulty by tracking pump usage. So our system solved this problem digitally tracking fuel stock, recording each sales accurately, assigning sales to specific pumps and cashier, and generating the reports or monthly reports automatically. So about the user is an administrator or the owner of the fuel station that can have the full access and full access to the system. They can manage user and fuel type, and the cashier who can record sales and view the transaction. So we have the 5 table in this project. The first table is called the user, that will store the user information. The second table is the fuel. The second is stock. The fifth one is sales, that we call the sales transaction. So another we go on the ERD, look for the relationship between itself. For one pump will be one place can hold the many pumps. So and many pumps can be assigned to one fuel can be assigned to many pumps. So one stock can store many fuel, and the many fuel can be stored in many stocks, and one user can handle many sales. So as you see here, this is our project. Here is the starting page with the index page. So and we have the data access layer. This is the class for selecting the user from database, and you have the user for inserting new, for adding new user. This is the class for adding new user to a database, for updating new user database, and you have the DB, and we have the DB connection file. As you see, we use MySQL for connection. Another here we have the fuel data access layer, that will help us to list what fuel we have, to add new fuel in the database, to update if we made a mistake, to update new fuel, and to delete if the fuel is not available in the market. Let's try to run the system. So we make a login with authorized credential. So we make a login. example. So as you see, start example and try to make a login again. As you see, to work with this is our dashboard for that gives a welcome to our user and shows the total sales and the transaction of today and the stocks available. As you see, this is the stock. If you add this, you may see this output, so we can make new sales as an admin. One picture of this a client buy 23 liters by the price of 1,500 per liter. Then you confirm to complete the transaction. As you see, the transaction is made. So you back here on user, you can edit the user by making admin. Also you can add the issuer, petrol 2 1,000 per liter. As you see, it's already added. We can also delete it, as you see, and also can log in as another user called cashier, as you said above. We made a cashier as an admin. Let's back here and log in as Sharon, because Sharon was an admin. And back here we edit the privilege of a cashier. Time to cache. Then made the logout and we come back here to cache. Then make a login. As you see only says to make only transaction. Then you add price. Then you complete. As you see, you get the result. So thank you.